Stone Floor Cleaning Walton-on-Thames by Fabritec Stone Care. As a homeowner, you take pride in keeping your home clean and pristine. But when it comes to your natural stone floors, it can be a frustrating and daunting task. You've searched high and low for a reliable stone floor cleaning service in Walton-on-Thames. But you can't find a company to meet your standards. When it comes to restoring the natural beauty of your stone surfaces. Fabritec Stone Care is your knight in shining armor. Our expert technicians are trained to handle even the toughest tile cleaning jobs. Leaving your floors looking like new. We use only the highest quality products and equipment to ensure your satisfaction. So if you're tired of searching for a reliable stone floor cleaning service, look no further than Fabritec Stone Care. We'll leave your floors looking so clean, you'll want to eat off of them, but we don't recommend it. For a reliable stone and tile cleaning and restoration contractor, call 0779860860 now.